Every spoonful of lentils sets off a powerful chain reaction inside the human body. As soon as they enter the mouth, the brain signals the digestive system to prepare. The moment they reach the stomach, enzymes break them down, releasing protein, fiber, and essential minerals. As the softened mixture moves into the small intestine, the real transformation begins. Microscopic villi pull nutrients from the lentils with remarkable precision. Protein molecules, iron, folate, and slow-burning carbohydrates flow into the bloodstream like glowing particles of energy. These nutrients travel throughout the body, strengthening muscles as amino acids repair and build tissue. Iron boosts oxygen circulation, helping every organ perform at its best. In the brain, lentil-derived folate supports neuron activity, enhancing focus, clarity, and cognitive performance. Meanwhile, the gut responds instantly. Lentils' rich fiber feeds beneficial bacteria, creating a healthier, more balanced microbiome. Digestion becomes smoother, inflammation decreases, and nutrient absorption becomes more efficient, fueling the entire system. The body continues to glow from within as lentils deliver steady, sustained energy, avoiding the crashes caused by rapidly absorbed sugars. Their complex carbohydrates provide long-lasting fuel for both physical and mental performance. For some, lentils can also cause mild bloating, stomach discomfort, or temporary blood sugar shifts, especially when eaten in large amounts. These reactions appear as inflammation or reduced cellular energy. But for most people, lentils remain one of the most nutrient-dense foods on Earth, supporting strength, cognitive function, gut health, and steady energy, all from a simple natural source that transforms the body from the inside out.